Today we're checking out the Rhodia web planner. Now I ordered this from Amazon. I looked in my art supply store because that's where I usually get Rhodia pages, but they didn't have any. And if you're not familiar with what Rhodia is, they usually have these notebooks, and they're famous because they have the top spiral, which is great when you're doing calligraphy. So like the pages are super silky. They feel really nice, and they're perfect because you can use a pointed pen on them. It doesn't stick. There's no, like with linen paper, it bleeds in weird areas when you use liquid ink. And that never happens with Rhodia. So that's like my only experience with them. I did not know that they made a web planner. I don't know why it says web planner. I think it just says it's the 2022 January through December weekly and monthly. Now this was really crazy expensive. It was $49, which I don't know why it's $49. It doesn't have a spiral. It's hardbound, which typically I'm not sure if you realize this, hardbound planners are always cheaper to produce than spirals, 100%. There's just less pieces, there's less moving parts, less tools. So I don't know why this is priced so high. Now this is their classic orange color. And, oh, that's nice. You get those little tabs on the bottom so you can kind of just bend them and then tear them away after each day passes. So information, allergies, blood type, organ donor. All right, calendar 2021, 2022, and 2023. This is great, although they're so itty bitty tiny. I don't know if anyone would like them. Plus, there's nothing worse to me than starting the week on a Monday. Like, as soon as I see that, I'm like, let me just throw this planner away, because I don't think like that. Oh, all right. So now we have a landscape portrait of January. We have February, March, and April. I guess this helps if you, like me, I do write big, so having this as a horizontal is better. Although I don't know why. Bloom Daily Planners does this too. I strongly dislike taking a planner, sometimes having it in portrait, sometimes having it in landscape, and having to go back and forth. Like, just pick a format. You know, I'd rather have a 2-page monthly spread. At least that's me. And again, because these start on Monday, this is like awful. I will 1,000% screw up every planner, every date, every appointment, because intuitively I want the planner to start on a Sunday. And I'm not sure what the trend is for that. I guess if you're a school teacher or you're thinking about your corporate work week, you don't want to think about your Sunday. I'm not really sure. All right, so now we have to flip back over to portrait, which again, big pet peeve for me. I don't know how we're already on week 50. How did this happen? Oh, I see. It's December 20. I'm like, how did we already jump there? Okay, so I guess this will start you for December 13th, 2021. So over here on the left, we have 7 a.m. to 8 p.m. So I guess 2 rows. Again, I find that very visually confusing. I know you're like, Lisa, it's not a big deal. You go to 1, then you go to 2. I don't know. I just don't like that split that they have here. Plus, these lines are so itty bitty tiny. I don't think I would be able to get any words in here. I mean, we can try to measure it. That's like not even a quarter, or that's like not even an eighth of an inch to write in there. So, and as you know, I write huge. Grids, same thing. I don't know, it's weird because when I do calligraphy, I don't mind the grids. Like, I actually find this all helpful. But when I have to go to write in a planner and I'm not doing calligraphy, I do not find it helpful. So the pages do feel silky. I think I could use calligraphy on these. I don't know why you would, but it seems like the same quality paper. So over here on the bottom, we get November, the month before, we get the actual month, we get a little highlight for the week that you're on, and then the following month. So I do love that. But again, because it starts on a Monday, it's not going to be very useful to me. I don't know why we have Canadian holidays in there, but okay. Let's see. European holidays, bank holiday. Okay, so I guess it's just a global sort of planner. And we just go through. Okay, so now we're back on week 1. And we're going through week 2. So it looks like it just rinse and repeats. You don't get any. So the monthlies were all in the beginning. I do like that. And then the weeks just they just keep coming, kind of like life. The days, they just keep coming. All right, let's go back. Oh, here we go. So this is more of like that planner that you see from At a Glance when you're at the drugstore or the grocery store, because this doesn't ask any thought-provoking questions, which may be fine. This font is, it's ugly. I'm just going to say it. I don't like the font at all. And then we have a vertical planner, N-O planning, the organization of your year at a single glance. And again, I do like that one day. Oh, it would be better if both Friday and Saturday were orangish. I don't know why Monday is sometimes orange. Oh, I see. They're holidays. Yeah, I find this awful, like just totally useless when I see a vertical. But again, I find the start of the week on a Monday for a monthly planner extra useless. So it's just, this is all personal bias. Obviously, if you like it, you might enjoy that. A map of Europe. Again, they kind of only do this in At a Glance. I don't know why. Like back in the 80s, everyone would put maps inside planners. Like you're like, I don't know where France is. I just need to see it on a map. I don't know why. I do like seeing a map. It makes absolutely no sense. I could just open up my Google. Again, we're switching from horizontal to vertical, something I hate. But I do like having maps. I don't know why. I don't even need the reference. Maybe they're just like, we're afraid there might be Americans buying this planner, and we know that Americans are not the best with geography, so we just want to help you out. All right, so we have the whole world there, and now we have contacts that I guess you can put in here. Phone, their Instagram handle. There's no way you could fit a name, an email address, a phone number, and an Instagram handle. Like, even if you wrote the tiniest letters in the world, they would never fit here. So I feel like this is just kind of useless too. So that's what I think about that. Let me know what you thought. Oh, this is nice. It has a little debossing here, and it has a elastic strap. 100%, I don't think this was worth $49, but I do like some of the layout designs, but 100% not the fonts. All right, remember, if you would like to create your own planner, make sure to sign up for my free course, Planner 101. I hope everyone's having a fabulous day, and I'll talk to you later.